Hello everyone, today in this gift tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily add a friend on the RedNote application. So in order to begin, I'll open up the RedNote application. Once you're in the RedNote application, what you'll have to do is click on these three dashes on the top left corner. Click on it. Once you're in here, you can see the option add friends, which is the first option. You have to click on it again. And now you can see the option scan and documents, and it's also showing your QR code that you can share to your friends so that they can add you as a friend by scanning this QR code. Okay, so what you'll have to do is go into the account or phone to which you want to be friends with, and repeat the same steps till here. And on your phone, what you have to do is click on scan, and on the other phone you have to show that QR code, and that once scanned, you will be added as a friend to your account. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.